Oh shit, I forgot my phone in the cab. Well, anyway, the cab driver was a piece of shit. What am I gonna do now? I'm in deep shit. The phone was gifted by my mom. Well, am I using the word shit way too much? Well, because the word shit is such a versatile word in English. There are so many expressions with the word shit. So that's what we're going to learn in today's lesson. Expressions using the word shit. Now, warning, warning. This word or the expressions with the word shit can be really offensive and rude for many people. So just be careful when you are using these expressions. And now let's have a look at 10 expressions with the word shit. Welcome back. You're with me, Niharika, and today we are going to look at certain expressions with the word shit in them. So which are these expressions and what's the literal meaning of the word shit? Well, it means to poop, and we do shit every single morning. Am I right? So now we are going to expand our vocabulary with the word shit. The first expression that I have for you is to know your shit. Now, when you use this expression for someone, it means that person has an extended knowledge about a particular topic or about a particular subject. For example, a friend of mine. Well, her name is Jenny. So she really knows her shit about motorcycles. Yes, that's quite surprising. Girls are not really into motorcycles or motorbikes, right? It's usually the boys. But guess what? This friend of mine really knows her shit about motorcycles. She has this amazing knowledge about the motorcycles. Isn't that cool? So that is when I use the expression that she knows her shit well. Okay? So to have it means to have an extended knowledge about a particular topic or about a particular subject. The next expression with the word shit that I have for you is a piece of shit. Remember, I said that the cab driver was a piece of shit anyways? So why did I use this expression? Well, a piece of shit can be used for an object, and as well as it can be used for a person. Now, when you use it for a person, when you say that, look at him, he is such a piece of shit, it means a person who has no morals. Yeah, we do have certain awful people around us. They are absolutely a piece of shit. So a person with no morals, well, go ahead, call them a piece of shit, okay? And when you use it for an object, it means that thing is of no use, absolutely useless. Like last month, I bought a coffee machine. It looked really attractive to me, but it's useless. I mean, it can't even make like 10 cups of coffees in one go. So it's a piece of shit for me. What's the point of spending so much money on a coffee machine, right? So when an object is just very useless, you can say it's a piece of shit. Okay? Moving on to the third expression that I have for you, a shit stirrer. Yes. At a workplace, we always have people around us who are really mean, who love to manipulate things, who love to create problems, and they are called as shit stirrers. Yes, we all have at least one person at a workplace who does that. loves to create issues between people, loves to create misunderstandings. So they are called as shit stirrers. So a person who manipulates too much, who creates issues among people, who creates misunderstandings among people. They are called as shit stirrers. Okay? Moving on to the next one. Full of shit. Look at you, you are full of shit. What does that mean? Are you covered with poop all over your body? You're full of shit? No, not literally. Well, full of shit is an expression which is used for a person who lies too much, who loves to exaggerate every single thing. Every story that this person has to say is way too exaggerated. It's just not true. Super lies, okay? So that person is full of shit. So a friend of mine told me that one of her cousins won a big lottery and it was so much money that he bought a house, he bought a Mercedes car, and he did so many things, blah, blah, blah. And I think that she is full of shit because she's lying way too much. So when a person lies or exaggerates, so a person who lies too much or exaggerates way too much, that person is full of shit. Okay? Moving on to the next expression with the word shit that I have for you is to be in deep shit. Remember I mentioned that I lost my phone and I am in deep shit? It means I am in trouble because the phone is gifted by my mom. Well, yes, when you are in trouble, maybe financial trouble or professional trouble or personal life crisis, it means that you are in deep shit. Okay, you're facing too many issues in life, which means you are in deep shit. Okay, moving on to the sixth expression, which is good shit. Now, this expression is used in a very positive manner. How do you use that? Wow, look at that good shit. So you think poop can be attractive at times? Not really. But when you end up using the expression good shit in English, it means that you are talking about something which is really good. Like for example, you go to a restaurant or you go to a place where they serve these amazing waffles. Ooh, chocolate waffle. And you eat it and you're like, oh my god, this is some good shit. It means that the waffles are so tasty, like they're so amazing, so scrumptious. And that's why you use the word or the expression good shit. Now people use this when they really like the food, drink, or if they really like to do drugs. Okay, there are people who would end up using the expression good shit for good stuff. The next one, to scare the shit out of someone. Yes, when do you use this? Well, when you scare someone. For example, I walked into my room, it was really dark. The moment I switched on the light, a friend of mine scared me. So I'm like, oh my god, you scared the shit out of me. Yes, you use this when you are like so scared of something, right? Someone just pops in front of you and you're like, you're taken aback because you're so scared, you're so frightened. And that's when you use the expression that you scared the shit out of me, okay? The next one is to shit a brick. Now this is also used in a very similar manner to scare the shit out of someone. Shit a brick is again when you are so scared, okay? So The other day I was cleaning my house and I spotted a creepy spider. And I know my sister is so scared of spiders. So I said that when she is back, she's gonna shit a brick seeing this spider. Okay, so it means that she's gonna be so scared. That is when you use the expression that she's gonna shit a brick. Okay? The next one is no shit. Now, no shit is an expression used when you are super impressed by someone or by something. A friend of yours buys a new car and the car is so amazing and your friend can drive it really fast and you are like so impressed. That is when you're gonna say no shit. Even when you're shocked or surprised, you can use the expression no shit. Like the other day I was in the cafeteria and I saw a person finishing the whole pizza in less than 2 minutes. Well, not really impressed, but I am so shocked. I'm like, really? Like he finished the huge cheesy pizza like in 2 minutes? So I'm like, no shit. Okay, so that's how you use the expression when you are super impressed or surprised. And you end up saying no shit. Okay? And then the 10th expression that I have for you is tough shit. So what's tough shit? You're like constipated, you're not able to poop. That's tough shit? Well, not really. Well, tough shit is used when, situations are not so nice, okay? You're facing a lot of issues or your friend is facing a lot of issues and there's nothing that you can do about it. You know, when you say like, shit happens, I mean, there's nothing that you can do about this situation. Like my cousin mentions that he lost his job and I'm like, well, that's too bad. But instead of saying that's too bad, you can say, tough shit, buddy. So tough shit is, you use this expression when you can't really do anything about that situation. Yes, a friend or a family member is facing some issues. The situation is not too good. And you're like, tough shit, okay? So you use it for bad times. Like instead of saying, too bad, you can say tough shit. Okay? So I hope you enjoyed these shitty expressions, well, expressions with the word shit, and start using them because they're like really nice. I mean, it's too much fun using these expressions, so start using them. But yes, be careful in front of whom you use these expressions, okay? Because they can be offensive, they can be rude, so be careful. And I'll be back with a new session soon. Till then, you take care and have a great day.